In this video, we're going to show you how to create a new application in Qlik Cloud. Give it a name. When creating a new application, specify its destination space. Optionally, add descriptions and tags. When finished, click Create. Once your new application is created, you'll need to add data to it. In Data Catalog, you can access data that is available to you. You can browse files and other sources and load data from here. Alternatively, use the Data Load Editor to connect to and retrieve data from your sources directly in the application. You can also drag and drop a file directly into it. For this example, we'll be loading an Excel file. After uploading, the file will be available in the Files and Other Sources section. Select Data Files and choose the file you just uploaded. Select the tables you wish to upload and click Next. When done, click Load Data. Once data is added, you can start creating sheets, stories, and visualizations. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.